So we have a brick and mortar store here in Chattanooga, right in the heart of downtown Chattanooga on the south side. That works really well for us to have this brick and mortar and people be able to come in, have open houses here, be able to host parties here, but we also do pop-ups too. And a pop-up is just when you collaborate with another business, a hotel, a salon. Those work really well too because it gives you more visibility, access to a clientele that you may not have had access to previously. Initially, when we were first starting and we were kind of bare bones with everything, didn't really have the studio built out, we were hoping to just kind of cover our base costs again, just make that money back. But what it did, and which was what completely surprised us, was 3 to 5-fold of that. I'm really good at social media, and so I worked really, really hard to get that awareness out there that there's this new company in town. Come in here, you get a glass of champagne, some ranch water, and have a full experience. We get to know you, you get to know us. You leave as friends with a piece of jewelry or a hat, something to commemorate your experience. When I'm starting a business, I fall all the way down the rabbit hole. I want to know everything about it. I want to consume every video I can possibly consume about it. I stayed up insane hours of nights watching YouTube videos. I don't want to ever align myself with something that I don't enjoy doing. So does it align with me? Is it something that I could be passionate about and feel good about? Am I a hat person? Am I a jewelry girl? Like, what does that look like for me? Would it be authentic for me to pull it off? Fell in love with both aspects of the business of what we're offering, and made sure that I knew all the little ins and outs and the nuances, researched everything from tools, materials, trends even. Wanted to make sure that I was following certain pages to see like what's everyone else doing in the industry. Are they expanding? Are they staying small? Are they doing pop-ups? Do they have a storefront? What does that look like today? And then how can I bring something different? So when people ask the question about whether something is saturated, when an industry, any industry is oversaturated and they're concerned about their so-called competition, I don't allow myself to be concerned with what anybody else is doing. I keep my nose to the grindstone and focus on what I'm bringing, the experience that I'm bringing, the quality of what I'm bringing, and focus on my business and my business alone. You can't be concerned with what anybody else is doing. Even if it looks like yours, you're the secret sauce at the end of the day. So what you're bringing to the table is what you're going to bring to the table and why people are going to come back to you and enjoy an experience with you.